Hello everyone, bright morning. So I am Miss Maria Angelica L. Ango. So today we will talk about the human digestive system. So do you know what are the main components of the human digestive system? If none, let's find out in this video. So we have here our human digestive system. So it is composed of 8 components. We have the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. So those 8 are the main components of the human digestive system. But there are also accessories in the digestive system. But now we will focus on the main components of the human digestive system. So now let's discuss which part of this digestive system belongs to the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, stomach, and so on. And also, let's discuss and let's know what are the functions of these main components of our human digestive system. Let's start with our mouth. So we have the mouth. So the mouth is the starting point of digestion where food is ingested and mechanically broken down by chewing, mixed with saliva and chemically started to be digested. So second is the pharynx. So the pharynx is the passageway that propels food from the mouth into our esophagus. So followed by our esophagus. So through the process of peristalsis, this esophagus, which is a muscular tube, transports food from the pharynx to our stomach. Stomach is a muscular organ that turns food and mixes it with gastric juices that contains acid and enzymes, which begins the breakdown of proteins and also create the substance called chyme. So small intestine is a long coiled tube where most of the chemical digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals into the bloodstream occurs. So we have here the large intestine. So the large intestine absorbs water, electrolytes, and vitamins from the remaining food residue and form it into waste or stool. Now let's move on to the rectum and anus. But first, let's know what is rectum and its function. So rectum stores stool before it is eliminated from the body, while anus is the opening through which waste is expelled from the body, which is known as elimination. So, those are the main components of our human digestive system and its corresponding function towards our digestive system. So, now let's talk about how can we take good care of our human digestive system. So of course, number 1 is to manage stress, because stress can contribute or can be linked to those problems in our digestive system or stomach. For example, is constipation. That's why it is really needed for us to manage stress. And of course, we should stay active, because being active can also increase our metabolism and can also make sure that our digestive system is healthy and can still function well. Third is we should get enough sleep. Of course, we really have to sleep for our digestive system to function properly. And also, if there are things or persistent problems in our digestive system, of course, we should consult a doctor, and we should have daily checkups that we should set with a doctor or physicians. So those are the ways on how to take good care of our human digestive system. I hope you have learned a lot on this video. Thank you!